Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Sarah.
And I am Davis. We are so happy to see you here today. If you want to learn English in a fun and easy way, you are in the right place.
Today is a very exciting day. We are going to talk about my favorite topic in the world.
Is it pizza?
No, Davis, it is travel. Everyone loves to travel, right?
Oh yes, I love travel. But Sarah, talking about travel in English can be difficult. Sometimes students only say, I went to Paris. It was good.
Exactly. It was good is a little boring. We want to help you tell better stories. We want you to make your friends say, wow, when you talk about your trips.
So today we will talk about everything. We will talk about packing your bags, going to the airport, eating delicious food, and even solving problems when things go wrong.
Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go. Davis, let's start at the beginning, before the trip. Are you a planner?
A planner? What do you mean?
I mean, do you make a list? Do you book your hotels months before? Or do you just go?
Oh, I am definitely a planner. I need to know everything. I check the weather, I book the tickets, I read about the restaurants. I like to be prepared.
That is very smart. I am the opposite. I am a little bit spontaneous.
Spontaneous. That is a big word for B1 level. Can you explain it?
Sure, spontaneous means I don't plan too much. I like to decide in the moment. Maybe I book a ticket today and leave tomorrow.
Wow, that sounds exciting, but also stressful for me. What about packing? Do you take a lot of clothes?
I try to pack light.
Pack light. That means you only bring a small bag, right?
Yes, I hate heavy suitcases. I only bring the essentials, a few t-shirts, comfortable shoes, and my camera. What about you?
I am bad at packing. I always bring too much. I think maybe I will need 5 pairs of shoes, but I only wear 1 pair.
That is a common mistake. Listeners, remember this tip. Less is more. Travel light and you will be happier.
Okay, so our bags are packed. Now we go to the airport. Sarah, how do you feel when you arrive at the airport?
I love the airport. I look at the big screen with all the city names. London, Tokyo, New York. I feel electric.
Electric? Like electricity?
Yes, I feel full of energy. I feel excited. I feel like anything is possible.
I feel that too, but I also feel a little nervousness. We have an idiom for this. I have butterflies in my stomach.
Butterflies in my stomach. That is a beautiful phrase. It means you are nervous and happy at the same time.
Exactly. And then we get on the plane. Do you prefer the window seat or the aisle seat?
Oh, window seat, 100%. I want to see the clouds. I want to see the world from above.
I prefer the aisle seat.
Why? You can't see anything.
Because I have long legs, I need space to stretch my legs, and I can go to the bathroom easily.
Practical choice. Okay, now let's imagine we arrived. We are at our destination. Davis, tell us about your favorite trip.
My favorite trip was to Tokyo, Japan. It was amazing.
Now, Davis, don't use the word beautiful. Describe it for us. What did you see? What did you hear?
Okay, Tokyo was vibrant.
Vibrant. That means full of life, lights, and energy.
Yes. At night, the city was bright with neon lights. Red, blue, green. It was noisy, but in a good way. It felt like the future.
And what about the smell?
Oh, the smell was the best part. You can smell delicious food everywhere. Ramen soup, grilled chicken. It made me hungry all the time.
That sounds fantastic. My favorite trip was very different. I went to the mountains in Switzerland.
Was it vibrant?
No, it was serene.
Serene. That means very quiet and peaceful.
Yes, no cars, no noise, just the sound of birds and the wind. The air was crisp.
Crisp? Like a potato chip?
No, crisp air means fresh, cool, and clean. It feels good in your nose.
That sounds relaxing. So we have vibrant for cities and serene for nature. These are great words.
But Davis, travel is not just about seeing things, it is about eating. Are you a foodie?
Oh, absolutely. A foodie is someone who loves food. When I travel, I eat everything.
Do you try the local food or do you eat McDonald's?
No McDonald's. I want to eat what the local people eat. In Japan, I ate sushi.
How was it?
It was out of this world.
That means it was incredibly good.
Yes, the fish was so fresh, it melted in my mouth. I didn't even have to chew.
Yummy. I love trying street food. It's usually cheap and delicious. But sometimes travel is not perfect. Sometimes bad things happen.
Oh yes, the travel disasters. Sarah, tell us a story. Did you ever have a problem?
Yes. One time I went to Paris. I waited at the airport for my bag. I waited and waited. The belt went round and round, but my bag never came.
Oh no, they lost your luggage?
Yes, I had no clothes, no toothbrush, nothing. I had to wear the same t-shirt for 3 days.
That sounds terrible. Were you angry?
At first, I was crying, but then I realized something. I was in Paris. I shouldn't be sad. So I went to a shop, I bought a cheap dress, and I enjoyed my holiday.
That's a great attitude. We call this go with the flow.
Go with the flow. It means don't fight the problem. Just relax and accept it, like water in a river.
I had a disaster too. Once I got lost in Rome.
Lost? Did you have a map?
My phone died, no battery. I didn't know where my hotel was. It was dark.
Were you scared?
A little, but then I found a small restaurant. I went inside to ask for help. The owner was so nice. He gave me free pasta and called a taxi for me.
Wow, so getting lost was actually a good thing.
Yes, we call this a blessing in disguise. Something bad happens, but it brings something good. I met a nice friend because I was lost.
Travel teaches us so much. It teaches us to be brave.
And finally, when the trip is over, we have to come home. Do you buy souvenirs?
Yes, souvenirs are small gifts you buy to remember the trip. I usually buy a magnet for my fridge.
I buy keychains. They are small and easy to pack.
And photos. I take hundreds of photos.
Do you take selfies?
Sometimes, but I prefer to take photos of the view. Looking at photos makes me feel happy when I'm back at work.
Yes, it helps with the post-travel blues.
Post-travel blues. That's the sad feeling when your vacation is finished.
But don't be sad, because you can always plan the next trip.
Exactly. Davis, where's next on your bucket list?
A bucket list is a list of places you want to go before you die. I want to go to Vietnam.
Vietnam. Good choice. The food there is amazing.
I want to eat pho and drink egg coffee. What about you?
I want to go to Iceland. I want to see the northern lights.
That sounds cold, but beautiful.
Okay, friends, we talked a lot today. Let's review our special words.
Planner versus spontaneous. Preparing versus deciding in the moment. Pack light, bringing only a few things. Vibrant versus serene. Busy and bright versus quiet and peaceful. Go with the flow. Relax when things go wrong. Bucket list, your dream places.
We hope you feel more comfortable talking about travel now. Use these words on your next trip.
Now we have a question for you. Please write in the comments.
If you could fly anywhere tomorrow for free, where would you go? Would you go to a vibrant city or a serene beach? Tell us.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep exploring the world and keep learning English.
See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.